guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in another challenge, again a Christmas DIY wreath challenge. It seems to be a thing going on this week, and today's challenge is hosted by Christy from Inspired Living with Christy and Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. We are supposed to create a Christmas wreath. So that is what I did. I will have both of their channels linked down below, so make sure you go check them out. They're great channels to follow. And I will also have a playlist linked down below for you guys to check out all the other ladies participating in this challenge after you finish watching my video. So for this wreath, I have decided to create one that will go outside on my front porch, not on the doors because I have two identical ones that go on my doors, but this one will be off to the side on my wall. And I wanted to create something different. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this project, I am using these styrofoam wreaths, I guess, foam wreaths. 3 of them, and two are fairly the same size, and then one smaller. These came from Dollar Tree. Then I'm using this burlap garland that came from Dollarama. I have 2 of them. I don't know if I'm going to use all of it, if I have enough. Then I have this hat and a scarf that I've had from before. It was part of it came from Dollarama. It was part of a snowman kit. So you have stuff to put on your snowman when you make one out of snow. And then I just have some felt that I am planning on cutting out some mittens. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap these in burlap. And I am going to use hot glue to attach it. So they are all finished. I am going to be attaching them. I think I'm just going to use a little piece of rope and some glue. Rope is just to keep them secured. So while that's curing, I am going to cut out some mittens. I'm just going to eyeball them. I think I'm going to use some of this craft foam, just to make it a little bit more, make them a little bit more sturdier. Going to remove this. And I'm going to attach the scarf. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. And then the hat's gonna go here. Said are you? Oh, I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm going to add a bit of hot glue in here because I feel like it's a little loose. And then this rope is going to go over here. And I'm not sure how long I need it for hanging it up. So I'm just gonna give it a a loose tie, just so I know. So I'm going to show you what it looks like all hung up. So here it is, all hung up on my front porch, and I can't wait to decorate my front porch completely and share how this all ties in together. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would like to thank the Christy and Antoinette for hosting this challenge. I really enjoy participating in challenges and creating fun DIYs, so why not combine the two? So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and again, thank you for watching.